The Kamakhya temple is located on Nilachal Hill in Guwahati, Assam, India. It is a revered Hindu temple dedicated to the goddess Kamakhya and is considered one of the most sacred Shakti Peethas in India. The Kamakhya temple is generally open to devotees from 5:30 am to 1 pm and again from 2:30 pm to 5:30 pm. However, it's important to note that the temple may close for a period in the morning for rituals and offerings. Specific darshan timings, such as Aarti darshan, may also vary. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. General darshan, 5:30 am to 10 am, morning, and 3 pm to 5:30 pm, evening. 2. Aarti darshan, 5:30 am to 6:30 am, morning, and 4:30 pm to 5:30 pm, evening. And 3. Temple closure. The temple temporarily closes for food offerings and other rituals around 1 pm and reopens at 2:30 pm. Important notes. 1. Photography. Photography is generally not allowed inside the inner shrine. 2. Ambubachi Mela. The temple has specific timings during the Ambubachi Mela, including different darshan timings for the festival. And 3. VIP Darshan. VIP passes are not available online and must be purchased at the designated counter within the temple complex. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's always recommended to check the official website of the Kamakhya temple. The Kamakhya temple in Guwahati, Assam, is a revered Shakti Peetha, a center of tantric practices, and is associated with the legend of Sati, the wife of Lord Shiva, and her yoni falling on Nilachal Hill, where the temple now stands. The temple's history is intertwined with oral traditions, mythology, and archaeological evidence, suggesting origins as early as the 8th century, with subsequent rebuilds and expansions. Here's a more detailed look at the Kamakhya temple's history. Mythological origins. The temple is dedicated to the goddess Kamakhya, and its origins are linked to the legend of Sati, who immolated herself in a fire sacrifice after being insulted by her father, King Daksha. According to the legend, Sati's body parts fell to different locations, and each location became a Shakti Peetha, a place of immense power. The Kamakhya temple is said to be the location where Sati's yoni, womb, fell, making it a significant site for tantric worship and the goddess's feminine energy. Historical development. Archaeological evidence suggests that the Kamakhya temple complex existed as early as the 8th century, with subsequent rebuildings and expansions. The temple is mentioned in ancient texts like the Kalika Purana and Yogini Tantra, which provide insights into its religious traditions and the goddess Kamakhya. The temple was destroyed by Kala Pahar and later rebuilt by King Narnarayan of the Koch dynasty in the 16th century. Under the Ahom dynasty, the temple complex expanded, with numerous temples constructed for various deities. Unique features. The Kamakhya temple is unique because it doesn't have a traditional idol. Instead, a natural stone yoni, representing the goddess's power, is worshipped. The temple is a center for the Kulachara Tantra Marga, a specific form of tantric practice. The annual Ambubachi Mela, a festival celebrating the goddess's menstruation, is a significant event at the temple, during which the temple is closed for 3 days. Location. The temple is located on the Nilachal Hill in Guwahati, Assam. The Kamakhya temple in Guwahati, Assam, is deeply rooted in tantric traditions, particularly Shakta Tantrism. It's considered the birthplace of the unique Kulachara Tantra Marga, a stream of Tantrism that has evolved over centuries under the care of the Kamakhya Kula. The temple's rituals and practices are centered around the yoni, believed to be where the divine feminine energy of Sati, goddess Parvati, fell after Shiva's dance of destruction. Tantric history and significance. 1. Shakta Tantrism. Kamakhya temple is a central site for Shakta Tantrism, a branch of Hinduism that focuses on the divine feminine power, Shakti. 2. Kulachara Tantra Marga. The temple's tantric traditions are particularly known for the Kulachara Tantra Marga, a unique stream of Shakta Tantrism that has been developed and maintained by the Kamakhya Kula, the family lineage of priests. 3. Yoni worship. The temple's central focus is on the yoni, genitals, representing the feminine power and creative force of the universe. 4. Ancient origin. While the current temple structure is relatively recent, dating back to the 17th century, the site is believed to have been a place of worship since at least 200 BC. 5. Mysticism and sorcery. Historically, Kamakhya was associated with mysticism, witchcraft, and tantric sacrifices, particularly during the reign of the Pala kings of Assam. 6. Rituals. Tantric rituals are central to worship at Kamakhya, including offerings of flowers, incense, and sweets, as well as some animal sacrifices. And 7. Ambubachi Mela. The annual Ambubachi Mela, held during the monsoon season, is a major festival associated with the temple. Legends and mythology. 1. Sati's Yoni. According to legend, the temple is the location where the yoni of Sati, goddess Parvati, fell after Shiva's Tandava. 2. Kamdev's curse. The temple is also linked to the legend of Kamadeva, the god of love, who was cursed and regained his beauty after worshipping at the temple. And 3. 51 Shakti Pithas. Kamakhya is one of the 51 Shakti Pithas, sacred sites where parts of the body of Sati fell after Shiva's